Alright, today we're looking at a certified pre-owned 2016 Honda CRV EXL all-wheel drive. It's got 32,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. Okay, it's white orchid pearl in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. It's got the nice chrome trim around the windows. Got your lock, unlock button here on the door handles. It is equipped with sunroof. Driver's side of the CRV is in great shape. Does have rear backup camera. Once again, it is an all-wheel drive. Alright, has the lock, unlock button here on the passenger door handle as well. Got your blind spot monitoring camera there, and we'll show you that in just a second. Once again, it's certified. It's a 2016 EXL all-wheel drive, clean Carfax, one owner. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Alright, got the black on black door panels. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Alright, it's got your blind spot monitoring camera here. Your econ button there. Carpet's nice and clean. Black leather seating. It's a power driver seat. Alright, got the perforated inserts here. Does have sunroof. Okay. Center console. Got your HDMI, 2 USB ports and power outlet there. Does come with keyless entry key fobs. It's got 2 of them here. Let me flip them over for you there. Alright, passenger seat leather's in great shape. Alright, does have heated seats. Got another power outlet there. It's an automatic, dual climate controls. It's going to have your blind spot monitoring, backup camera, and radio display right here, and we'll show you that in just a second. Got your push button start. Leather wrapped steering wheel with cruise control. And then it's got your steering wheel audio and Bluetooth on this side. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Alright, it's got 32,947 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, let's go ahead and show you one of the display screens here. Alright, this one's got your average fuel and your range till empty. We'll scroll down a little bit. This has got all your apps. Here, let me knock the glare off of that 1 second. There we go. Alright, this one's got all your apps. We'll go ahead and engage the backup camera. Alright, let me dim that down for you a bit. There we go. Got the guidelines on there. Okay. Go ahead and put it back in park. Go ahead and engage the blind spot monitoring camera. And this camera is just a visual display of your blind spot. It's a really nice safety feature that Honda offers. Okay. Once again, got dual climate controls, push button start, automatic, and then we scroll down here. We got your heated seats. Alright, let's hop out. Take a look in the back seat. Door panels back here in great shape. Carpet's nice and clean, no staining back here. Alright, let me walk around and open up the passenger side door. This black interior kind of makes it hard to see. Bring some light in here so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Alright, once again, carpet down here nice and clean, no staining. Back seat leather's in great shape. Alright, no problems back here. Center console comes down, got the cup holders. I'm going to give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright. Alright, carpet back here is nice and clean. We'll lift this up. Spare tire and jack underneath. Got the sunshade here. But I'll step to the side, you can really see the depth. There's a ton of room in these things. And on either side, here and here, there's a handle. You can simply pull that handle, and that's going to let your seats down. They'll go down automatically. Okay. When they're both down, it really opens up the space. They're really light, but they're very durable. You simply just lift them up, pop them back into place like that. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. 17-inch alloys. All right, alloys are in great shape. Plenty of tread left on the tires. Okay. Alright, once again, it's a certified 2016. It's got 32,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, one owner. This thing's in fantastic shape inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.